Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a high puff ponytail on my TWA. First off, I'm going to start by wetting my hair. Yes, I'm using sink water. You can use any water that you prefer, but I'm just using sink water because it's right there. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with some Tresemme conditioner just to re-moisturize and hydrate my hair. I'm only going to use just a little bit of conditioner. You know, I usually like to use a lot of product, but I don't want to do too much product. I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my head. Now, going in with that orange wide tooth comb, I'm just going to go ahead and detangle my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a blow dryer and use this comb. I normally would have a comb attachment, but I can't find it. But I'm just going to go ahead and try to blow dry my hair as straight as possible. It's not the best, but I got to do what I got to do. Sorry for all the facial expressions. I tend to make a lot of facial expressions, so I hope you guys enjoy them. Why you tryna play me? You know karma is a bee. I don't know why you be tripping over materialistic things. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the Power Puff High Puff with the puffs and just apply that. It didn't match my hair color, and I'm kind of disappointed about that because I completely forgot to put a rinse in my hair, but we're just gonna go with it anyways. Now I'm just going in to see where I would want my puff to be before I start putting the ponytail in. Now I'm just going to go ahead and part off a square section in the center of my head where I'm going to want my puff to lay at. That part's more of a circle than a square, I'm sorry. But now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with this edge booster. It is apple scent and it smells like an apple orchard. So if you like apples, get this one. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use the edge booster and apply it all over my head. And please, please, please don't forget the ends because you want everything to lay down smooth and flat. Now I'm just going to go ahead and comb all that forward to the little ponytail that I have in the center of my head. Now I'm going in with some Gorilla Snot and just going to go ahead and apply that all over my head like I did with the edge control. Just gonna go ahead and take that bristle brush, whatever it's called, the brush that everybody uses and it's caked up that really gets your hair smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and use that brush. Now at this point, pretty much all I'm trying to do is just get my hair as smooth as possible and get all those knots and kinks out. Y'all, so I'm about to go in and try to use this rubber band, but hold up, wait, I can't because it snapped. Now I'm about to go and use one of those small black rubber bands. Yes, I know they're not good for your hair, but I cut them out, so it is okay. But now I'm about to go ahead and brush and then use some combs and whatever I can use to get it as smooth as possible. Now I'm just applying more product, edge control, snot, whatever, just to get it as smooth as possible. And look at this little dot on my head.
Girl, too. Maybe she can come.
Now I'm just going in and using the silky side, not the dull side of the do-rag, to tie my hair up.
Nothing else to do with it. Let me.
And all the hair supplies that I'm using for this video, you can get at your local beauty supply store.
You're in Vegas, all up on Valentine's Day. Why am I so easy to forget like that? I can't be that easy for you to get like that. Oh no, she didn't. Oh yes, I did. Oh no, she didn't. I do it again. Leave me alone for prettier women. You know I need too much attention for things like that. You know you're wrong for things like that. I could be your supermodel if you believe. If you see it.
Now I like to go ahead and just tie my hair around in the do-rag to make sure it gets as flat and smooth as possible. And now I'm just going to go ahead with the blow dryer, that Old Faithful, and just go ahead and blow dry my hair dry.
I need you. Oh, just get a load of them, they got chemistry. All they could say we like brother and sister. They're so good together, but they messing for real. And they was right, that's why I stayed with your other. Was too good to make me feel good for temporary love. You are no temporary love. Leave me alone for prettier women. You know I need too much attention for things like that. You know you're wrong for things like that. I could be a supermodel.
I went ahead and put the do-rag on just to go ahead and blow dry my hair some more to make sure it's fully dry.
See it in me, I don't see myself. Why can't I stay alone just with myself? Wish I was comfortable just with myself. I need you, I need you, I need you.
Girl, that hair is smooth, 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 smooth. And now it's time for them edges. Now look, I struggled throughout this entire video. I even struggled on trying to get my baby hairs out because my hair was so smooth and laid. Now we about to lay them edges. Gonna take some edge control and a toothbrush and just swoop them edges. Swoop to the right, swoop to the right, just lay them down. I'm just playing, y'all, but really we about to do my edges. Y'all, I got distracted and ended up doing my eyebrows a little bit. Now we're just gonna go ahead and go with this brutal, dangerous pump it up spritz.
That's so nasty. It's like,
Hey, when you frame that, do not freeze it in. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the do-rag on, just to let my edges set. But now we're about to take my do-rag off, and girl, let me tell you, them edges was laid and slayed and looking delicious. I mean, what? Look at that. Just look. It's ponytail time. It's puff time. Ponytail puff time. Yeah. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put the ponytail part in with the tag. Use that little comb part and put it in. But it has to have the tag on it. And then go ahead and do the same thing for the front. And you know, just go ahead and tighten that with that little drawstring right there, as you can see. Tighten it, wrap it around, not too tight unless you want a headache. Just wrap it around, and then take a little bobby pin and just stick it up in there to hold it.
I had to get it on the low. Gaining losses every day, I had to learn and let go. Don't call me your brother if I'm not your kinfolk. Used to be about the honeys, then I started catching bees. Always knew that they was slooping, yeah, I peeped them catching Z's. I ain't never listened to.
Now you just want to go ahead, take your fro puff and just fluff it to your liking. Now I'm going in with some hair oil, that wild growth hair oil to be exact. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my natural hair. I said natural hair, not the ponytail, the natural hair. And now you're going to go ahead and go with some oil sheen and just spray it all over your hair in the ponytail. Just going to go ahead and fan out the bathroom because that oil sheen gets everywhere and gets really cloudy and thick.
I can't be awake too long.
Yeah, I'm going in with this little love clip, you know, adding to my hair. This will give it a little pizzazz, you know, make it a little zhuzh up. Yes, zhuzh up. But that's it for this final look. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please share. And don't forget to hit that nail notification bell thing, whatever, to be notified. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Love you, TYTs. Bye.